Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if this is your first time visiting, let me welcome you to the channel and invite you to return as a family member. The Home Decor Luxe Club is continuing on with our Vlogmas Clothes Collab. Every Friday at 6 p.m., we'll be bringing you all kinds of holiday inspiration, so make sure you tune in. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. Today's tablescape is all about glam elegance. So I'm coming in with silver accessories with a burgundy accent. Most of my items I picked up at HomeGoods. The beautiful crystal reindeers and Christmas trees, woven placemats, and gorgeous, honey, drop-dead gorgeous silver dinnerware, and silver martini glasses, a beautiful burgundy beaded thrifted runner, beaded napkin rings, and some garland for that touch of greenery. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put this glamorous tablescape together, honey. And I'll meet you at the reveal. Thank you for tuning in today to the Home Decor Luxe Club's Vlogmas Collab. 'Tis the season to sparkle. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you inspiration to style a beautiful holiday table for your home. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give your girl a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and please join us next Friday at 6 p.m. for our Vlogmas Collab. 'Tis the season to sparkle. Thank you again for watching, and until next time,